Today, we're diving into the world of natural oils and their amazing benefits for your skin. Specifically, we'll be discussing 9 oils that can help fight wrinkles and give you that youthful glow. Natural oils have been used for centuries to promote healthy, vibrant skin, and today we'll show you how to harness their power. From reducing fine lines to keeping your skin hydrated, these oils are nature's gift to your skincare routine. And make sure to stick around until the end for a special bonus tip on how to maximize the benefits of these oils. Let's get started. Now let's delve into what makes these natural oils so effective for anti-aging. The secret lies in their unique composition of hydration, antioxidants, and fatty acids. First, hydration. Many natural oils are excellent at locking in moisture, which is crucial for maintaining plump, youthful skin. Hydrated skin is less likely to develop fine lines and wrinkles, making hydration a key aspect of any anti-aging regimen. Next, antioxidants. Oils like rosehip, argan, and jojoba are rich in antioxidants, which help to neutralize free radicals that can cause premature aging. By protecting your skin from environmental damage, these oils keep your complexion looking fresh and vibrant. Fatty acids are another vital component. Oils such as avocado and coconut are packed with essential fatty acids that help to improve skin elasticity and smooth out wrinkles. These fatty acids also support the skin's natural barrier, which is essential for keeping your skin healthy and resilient. And let's not forget collagen. Some oils, like pomegranate seed oil, can boost collagen production, which is key for maintaining firm, youthful skin. Collagen helps to keep your skin structure intact, reducing the appearance of sagging and fine lines. The best part? These oils are natural and suitable for most skin types when used properly. Always do a patch test before incorporating a new oil into your routine to ensure it suits your skin. By understanding the science behind these oils, you can better appreciate their powerful anti-aging benefits. Hey, quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow. It means the world to us. Now that we understand why natural oils are effective for anti-aging, let's explore the benefits and uses of the following oils for fighting wrinkles. First up, argan oil. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, argan oil hydrates and improves skin elasticity, making it a powerful ally in your anti-aging regimen. Next, rosehip oil. Packed with vitamin A and antioxidants, rosehip oil promotes skin regeneration and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Jojoba oil is another excellent choice. It mimics the natural sebum of your skin, providing deep moisture without clogging pores. It's also non-comedogenic and suitable for all skin types. Marula oil stands out for its high antioxidant and amino acid content. This oil helps protect your skin against environmental stressors. Then we have sea buckthorn oil. Loaded with omega-7 fatty acids, this oil stimulates collagen production, helping maintain your skin's firmness. Pomegranate seed oil is unique for its punicic acid, an anti-inflammatory compound that reduces fine lines and soothes the skin. Olive oil is another powerhouse, high in squalene, a powerful moisturizer that improves your skin's barrier function. Avocado oil is packed with vitamins A, D, and E, making it deeply nourishing and revitalizing for dry skin. Last but not least, coconut oil. This natural emollient locks in moisture and is best used on dry, wrinkle-prone areas. Each of these oils offers unique benefits that can help you maintain youthful, radiant skin. Now that you're familiar with the best oils for fighting wrinkles, let's talk about how to use them effectively. First, always remember to pat the oil onto your skin, rather than rubbing it in. This helps the oil to absorb better and prevents any unnecessary tugging on your skin, which can lead to more wrinkles. Next, consider mixing a few drops of oil with your moisturizer or serum. This can enhance the benefits of both products, giving your skin an extra boost of hydration and nutrients. For example, adding a few drops of rosehip oil to your nighttime moisturizer can help promote skin regeneration as you sleep. It's also important to patch test any new oil before incorporating it into your routine. Apply a small amount to a discrete area of your skin and wait 24 hours to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. This simple step can save you from potential irritation and help you find the perfect oil for your skin type. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of natural oils and achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. Happy oiling! Now that you know how to use oils effectively, let's dive into some bonus tips for your anti-aging skincare routine. First, consider incorporating oils as part of your nighttime routine. Nighttime is when your skin goes into repair mode, making it the perfect time to nourish it with natural oils. Simply apply a few drops of your favorite anti-aging oil before bed and let it work its magic while you sleep. During the day, it's crucial to combine your oils with sunscreen. While oils can provide hydration and nutrients, they don't protect against UV damage. Applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen after your oil ensures your skin is shielded from the sun's harmful rays, preventing premature aging. Lastly, remember the importance of maintaining a balanced skincare regimen. This means cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and exfoliating regularly. Don't forget to listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. By following these best practices, you can enhance the benefits of natural oils and achieve a youthful, radiant complexion. Keep glowing. In conclusion, natural oils offer a multitude of benefits for fighting wrinkles and maintaining youthful skin. From powerful antioxidants to essential nutrients, these oils can help reduce fine lines, improve skin elasticity, and give you a radiant glow. We encourage you to try incorporating these oils into your skincare routine and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how these oils have worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips, and hey, why not? Check out our related videos. Your journey to youthful, glowing skin starts now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Youthful Glow. Take care and stay radiant. And stay